Howdy y'all, it's Kathy from Rust Paper Scissors, and I have one more little spiral bound journal. I call this one Purple People Eater. It has the bulldog clip closure. It has some moon charms on the closure and then on the bookmark. It's covered in the sticky backed velvet. Again, it is a blank journal. It has a library card holder here. This is a library card with a tag from the Dollar Tree. This one just says caution. It's a little inventory list. A stamp. A little goblin. Another little sticker. A little fingerprint. The pumpkin patch and apple orchard for apple picking. These are just a couple of little stamps and stickers. The little witch. Digital haunted mansion. And then again, this is the guest check. And then this is a little tag with the Wicked Witch of the West and the Flying Monkeys, and then Dangerous When Wet. And then again, just more pages. Here's another little tag or stamp. This is again a Dollar Tree little ghost, and it says things that go bump in the night. And then I believe, oh, there's a black cat fortune telling, another guest check, another little digital, and let's see, this bag is just a little tuck spot, and then a pencil. So that is that one. That's called Purple People Eater, and those will be for sale. It is for sale in my Etsy shop. Thank you very much. Appreciate your time.